All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are here live, day 4, last day of the shoot. Yeah, it's going to be pretty powerful, this scene. As you can see, I got my also Jungaji's amazing artwork. He's on set, he's cooling up at the back with his cell. I'm just setting up the living room. Yeah, it's pretty amazing, this experience to be with my son, so I think that's probably the best thing. Scripts, that's the old man, Wankulala. Script a little bit, can't show you too much. But as I said before, Wuli Rookwood or Wankulala, the old magic man for the Duncan, the Gunguri side. We're honoured to be able to share the song lines to the world. Especially the community all knows the boys singing it and bringing the song back. The first time since 1965, which when Wankulala passed away in Warrabinda, and the boys got to sing it in front of their Samoan community and to the world actually, and that was in 2023, I think. Yeah, so here's some of the behind the scenes. All right, they're just setting up Brad, the muscly man. Let's go. That's it. Here we are. Let's finish it off. Let's go. All right, so we are gonna go to the back room where everyone's chilling. I think our wardrobe there. Where's? Look at there. Look at there. How's he going? Who is he? How you going,
Brother, I'm just relaxing in the green room, talking to Mr. Greg Dodge. No, I'm doing an interview as I talked to Simbai. Yeah, bro. The film, bro. It's a film about your fellows, your in-laws there. Beautiful story about reconnecting with country, language, and song lines. And yeah, man, I'm very honoured to be on there with my also Taitu'uga and SL. And what a beautiful film crew. We're on set. I'm out here in Strathpine, and it's a productive day, man.
Let's go.
Yeah, man, working on it.
So that's it. We're just here chilling behind the scenes. Look at this guy. He's set. Got the drinks there ready. So we're just waiting. They resetting the room. As I said, we're just live on set. We just got to chill while they reset the room for Uncle Jungaji to do the last scene for the short film. Which is we're all singing on the song, and then you get to see the actual photo and actually hear the recording that we received from Nana Ruth Hegarty, who she gave me the songs to give back to Warrabinda, to the elders there, and then also teach the boys. So this is Taitu'uga, live on set with Mauso Jungaji. What a blessing. More to come. We out.
Show us the way.
Yeah, the idea is that you're going to be standing here, so just so you know what we'll be doing. I do jump fill you standing here. And again, please shout out if you have
And then we've got photo here.
Yeah.
So we're standing.
Yeah, so